When it comes to decorating your living room walls, there are countless options to explore. From classic paintings to modern art pieces, the possibilities are endless. So, here are some diverse ideas to inspire you. First up, create a gallery wall which will act as a stunning focal point, containing a collection of artwork or photographs in various sizes and frames. Mix and match different styles and themes for an eclectic look. Next up, you can transform your living room walls with large-scale murals featuring breathtaking landscapes, abstract designs, or whimsical patterns. Murals can add drama and depth to your space, making it feel like a work of art. Now, I suggest you to install floating shelves to display decorative items such as vases, sculptures, and figurines. Mix in some greenery with potted plants or succulents to bring a touch of nature indoors. Next up, you should hang a nice mirror to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Choose a mirror with an ornate frame for a touch of elegance or opt for a sleek and modern design for a minimalist look. Next up, you can jazz up your walls with removable wall decals featuring fun patterns, inspirational quotes, or intricate designs. They are easy to apply and remove, making them a versatile option for updating your decor. Now, imagine a cozy living room adorned with a colorful tapestry or fabric wall hanging. Choose rich textiles in bold patterns or soft, muted hues, adding warmth and texture to the walls and creating a cozy, bohemian ambience. Next up, I recommend you to make a living room filled with vintage signs and posters, each telling its own story. Choose retro advertisements, nostalgic movie posters, and quirky signage adding character and charm to the space. Next up, I suggest you to choose some kind of wall decor that is a bit functional and has a purpose like a chalkboard wall for jotting down notes, a corkboard for pinning photos which will add both style and functionality to the space. Last up, give new life to old items by repurposing them into wall decor. Consider hanging vintage trays, antique mirrors, or salvaged architectural pieces for a shabby chic or industrial look. With these diverse and creative ideas, you can transform your living room walls into a reflection of your style and personality. Whether you prefer classic elegance, modern simplicity, or eclectic charm, there's a wall decor option to suit every taste and budget.